Hi everybody, my name is Mark and I'm from Z Sport and Z Sport Euro, and today we're going to introduce you to our oil change service with the European cars and for the domestic and Japanese. So with today's sophisticated vehicles, which are performance luxury sedans, you'll be surprised there's a lot more that goes into this than what you might think. When you bring in your car, and our friendly staff will welcome you at our door. Your car comes in and you want to make sure that the right person's looking at it. So we've all got certified technicians, factory trained, master technicians that are doing these services. You think they're simple, they're not. There's a lot to it. We start off by doing an inspection of the vehicle. It's going to start with your suspension, brakes, steering, chassis, exhaust, hoses, belts, fluids. We're going to check your fluid conditions. We're going to check your tires, your tire pressures. We're going to change your oil and filter, and we're going to fill your washer bottle. You think it stops there? It continues on. We're going to also do a free Carfax maintenance report for you. Look at all your past history maintenance recommendations. We're going to look at the present history recommendations, and we're going to look into your future recommendations. Make sure that your car has a health plan set up so that when you leave, you know exactly what needs to be done to this car, when, and what's coming up in the future. When you come into Z Sport, you're going to have factory trained technicians, master technicians, and the most friendly staff that you could ever imagine when you are welcomed and when you go home. Thank you.